Maraming salamat to all of you who gave your love and support for our film. We truly have found our home in you and we celebrate this success with you. Hello Love Again is now the highest grossing Filipino of all time in just 10 days. Post yan ng Star Cinema sa X nitong Huwebes, November 22, 2024. Sabi pa ng ABS-CBN, Hello, Love, Again, the record-breaking romantic drama starring Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards, has set a new box office record, earning 930 million pesos in worldwide box office just 10 days after its release. It is now the highest-grossing Filipino movie of all time, surpassing the 924 million pesos record of Dingdong Dantes and Marian Rivera's Rewind. Ang Hello, Love, Again ang unang film collab ng Star Cinema at GMA Pictures. Ipinalabas ito sa local cinemas nationwide umpisa noong Miyerkules, November 13, 2024. Nagtala ito ng record bilang highest first-day gross na 85 million pesos, pati highest single-day ticket sales na 131 million pesos noong November 16, 2024, Sabado. November 14, Huwebes, nag-premiere ang Kath Den reunion movie sa Australia at New Zealand. November 15, Biyernes, nag-umpisa ang screenings nito sa US, Canada, Guam, at Spain. Nag-debut ito sa pangwalong pwesto para sa November 15 to 17 weekend sa North America. Ayon sa Box Office Mojo ay $2.326 million ang estimated gross nito sa unang weekend sa US at Canada. Ito ang biggest opening for a Filipino film in North America. The blockbuster offering from director Kathy Garcia Sampana served as the closing film at the Asian World Film Festival, held in Culver City, LA, California. Tinanggap ni Catherine Bernardo ang Snow Leopard Rising Star na parangal mula sa Asian World Film Festival na ginanap sa Culver City, Los Angeles, California, USA. Kinilala si Catherine dahil sa kanyang passion at taglay na galing bilang artista, at sa pagmamahal sa kanya ng mga manunood at mga taga-subaybay. It is such an honor to be here, representing my fellow Filipinos and my home network, ABS-CBN, sabi ni Catherine sa kanyang acceptance speech. Thank you so much to the AWFF, my family, my mom, who's here, my friends, my mentors, and to everyone who has believed in me throughout this journey. May we all continue to tell stories that will touch people's lives. Nag-congratulate naman ang kapuso primetime queen na si Marian Rivera sa Kath Den kaugnay sa tagumpay ng Hello, Love, Again. Nagkatambal sina Marian at Alden Richards sa kapuso series na Carmela, ang pinakamagandang babae sa mundong ibabaw noong 2014, gumanap si Catherine Bernardo bilang young Marian sa kapuso series na Endless Love noong 2010, noon pa man ay malapit sa puso ni Catherine si Marian, posible kayang magsama sa isang movie project ang Dongyan at Kath Den.